to get our sleeve length of the client is 23 inches, so I measure 23 inches length, then 1.5 allowance here, then have an inch as a joining allowance at the upper part. Then the upper arm circumference of the client is 12. I had 2 inches to it, making 14 divided by 2 give me 7. That's how I get 7 here. So I leave here for side joining allowance. So I get this pattern, that's the back pattern. I measure it, I assume it is on fold. So this is joining allowance. I start from joining allowance, I measure it to give me something 8.5. is 8.5. So don't add this side with it. So you get to get your 8.5 here on fold. You step down, it's like 4 inches here. Get the midpoint here, step down like 2 inches. I'll be making use of like 1.5 here. Then I connect it. So this is it. Let's measure what we are having here. So we are having our 8.5 here. Then you come to the down part, then you extend it with this 1 inch, which is your side joining allowance. So it will amount to 9.5. So you come to the down part, that's 7 inches, deduct 1.5, so you have 5.5. You can use 5 inches. These 7 inches, you deduct 2 inches, give us 5. So then you connect it together. Then this 1 inch, you get it. So this is it. So for this center front of our sleeve, you step out with half of an inch, because you are going to open it there because of the rope that is going to be there. So you'll be folding this in before you cut it. So you are going to be closing this. So for here you are going to be placing your eyelets. You step up like 7 to 8 inches. Use 8 inches. So when you are after cutting out your fabric, you join it to this end. The remaining like 5 pieces of eyelets will be placed there. So then your joining allowance of half an inch is being added here. Then I cut it. You can make this place half an inch. So you are going to join here to this end. Now to shape the upper part of our sleeve to give it that cold shoulder like effect. So what we do is that we take this, instead of doing it this way for the normal cold shoulder, like coming down for like 2 inches and then do it this way. For this one will be, this is the way we'll be doing it. We will just step down with like a half of an inch after the joining seam allowance, because the cold shoulder is not too obvious. The effect is not much. So I just cut it. And this is it. This place, the eyelets will be fixed, not this way. So if you look at that thumbnail very well, this is the way the sleeve looks. Note that when after cutting, you will use this to cut out your fabric and the lining, reducing the lining with 2 inches. Then after the lobes that you'll be fixing your this your eyelet, all those lobes, you will, after normal lining, after normal interfacing, you will put this peplum interfacing, collar interfacing. You will add it so that it will have stamina to take this and use any of this. This is it. I've gone ahead to cut out the sleeve, the 2 sleeves. I will open this place. The center of the sleeve will be opened so that we will join it back and leave the loops region here. So, and for this sleeve, I am using just half an inch as my joining allowance now. Cut out, I used 1.5, but I will be using half an inch now, and the lining will be cut out the same way. So I will not reduce my lining again. So that is for the sleeve. So after joining here, do the same thing to the lining. Then I will attach it to my to the bodice. This is the bodice. So the sleeves will be attached here. This remaining, the sleeve will not be attached to this level, so just be attached after you join the joining allowance together before you now attach it to the bodice. Eyelet will be in all this region, so that is for the sleeve. I will go and do that, and I'll come and show you the results. Let me open this. This is the 2 sleeves. That's where the joining will be stored, and notch it. Cut out the lining the same way. Yes, so let me go and do that. So you first of all join here with half of an inch. So you do the same thing to the lining, then join the lining and the fabric together at the cuff region, then join the seam allowance together. So you now attach it to your top. This is it. I'm going to join the center together. Then I put a collar stitch. We fix collar stitch there, so that we'll be able to fix our eyelets there. And I iron very well. So the next thing I will do is just to join it from inside. Join it from inside. Just this way. From within. I will join it. Come this side, stopping it somewhere here, so that I will join this. This will be attached to the armhole region. So come this way, same thing. So then thereafter, I join the side together. So I can choose to join the sides, line to line, fabric to fabric, or can attach it together and overlock. So because this might be preventing it, but in any case we'll try. So that's what I will go and do now. First of all, join it from inside here. So after attaching the armhole region together, the top is ready. Yes, I've gone to attach the sleeve to the bodice. So the only thing that remains now is for us to fix our eyelets. We create the loops and attach the eyelet and the ropes, and that's it. So by the time we want to put the loops will be like a 3, 1, 2, 3. Don't let it get to the shoulder. Like from here, 1, 2, 3. This is the way it will look. Let's fix our eyelets, and the beautiful top is ready.